you broken, or do you believe you're broken?
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes,
Yeah.
on weekends. Sometimes during the weekend I feel more broke. On Monday, broken. Like sometimes.
Yes, sometimes.
Give
I
me
can
give
feel
me an
whole
example.
and I can feel broken.
Okay, give me
Yeah.
an example of what do you mean about being broken, and then you can understand you, and we can do some magic.
Like broken feels like there's still something missing. Maybe.
Beautiful. I have the sensation that there is something missing. Guys, clap if you feel that there is something missing in your life. You see, you're not alone. Yeah. Okay. What is missing in your life, guys? She will be the representative. What is missing in your life, my dear flower?
I feel maybe alone. Yeah.
You feel alone?
Yes. I feel oneness, but by myself. It sounds really crazy, I know, but it's true.
No, but it's good because every time we're talking, and you cannot escape because every time you're talking to me and you're seeing the tree. Look, what is your name?
Tess.
Tess.
Tessel.
Teso. Teso. I like it. Tesoro is treasure in Spanish. Teso. Okay, so we have the tree, we have a branch called Teso, and that branch said, I feel lonely. I feel so lonely. And there is 7 billion branches plus the tree. The universe is with you, listening. What? I'm lonely. Really? Yes. I'm broken. And the tree, where is the cat? I'm feeling it. No, it's an idea of separation. Therefore, you believe now that if you are with more branches around and the special branch is with you, yeah. Because what undenying to me is the love that is waiting for me. I'm going to look for another branch. I'm going to tell that person, give me what I'm denying to myself. And that person is not here. Oh, he was and he left. Because every time you do that, it's going to be for a while, yeah, and then poof, back in the, then maybe in the branch Tinder application, to the right, to the left. Oh, look at this. He look a spiritual branch. He like to go to Eco Plaza. He cannot die. He cannot be broken. Oh my God. Send message. Waiting. Why? Something wrong with me. Oh, I'm lonely. Then he said, hello. Oh, thank you, life. And then you have an experience, and then back to, oh, he loves more branches. He having tantra sex with a lot of branches. And, oh, I'm broken. My heart is broken. Everything's broken. Even my finances, I'm broke. So you see how everything leads to the same thing? If you believe you're separated, guys, it's going to be very, very hard. Very, very hard. And you know, it's an effort. You know, when you relate to another branch, okay, I'm going to use my seduction techniques of branches. My bag of Eco Plus. Actually, I have one. Can you bring it? Because I need some, you know, how you call it? People who give you money for the events. I'm joking. I just made it up. And you are with your, because you know it's spiritual, and you go there. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? I think it's clear, right? You just have to continue. No. Guys, good luck with that. It doesn't work. Because sooner or later, when you need somebody, somebody will come and they will show you how needy you are. And back to the neediness, then you're broken. Wow. Guys, this life is talking through me. Because you don't need anything. Everything is there for you, holding you. But you're looking in the wrong place. What do I have to do? Stop doing. If I keep on looking, I'm going far away from what? From the tree. Stop the search. Surrender. Oh my God, I don't need anyone. Then you connect with us. You see another branch? I don't know why, there's something here. There is a lesson to learn together. There is something to discover as a mirror. There is some consciousness happening. There is no neediness. That's the ego, separate self. I need you to feel me complete because I feel broken. But I'm broken because I forgot that I am the tree. Guys, can you embrace the broken sensation and say yes, 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 boom. One of the traits of the inner Buddha, a yes to everything. And then you transcend it, because you're using one of the traits of the pure consciousness, is acceptance, yes. But the ego says, fight, resist, then there is suffering. And then, when you resist, it's a famous quote, persist.